motivation. Do you think that you're special enough that everybody is truly watching your every move? Do you really think that when you don't succeed at something, that everybody around you, the whole world, recognize you failed? You're not that fucking special. You're not that fucking important. Nobody is. Everybody's involved in what they're doing. If you fuck up, if you fail, nobody is gonna give two shits. The person that's gonna care the most is yourself, and that's the way it should be. Don't be embarrassed by failure. Don't be embarrassed by doing anything other than fucking quitting. John Andersen with a little more.